The government tried a face saver, announcing the raise in subsidized LPG cap. Sugarcoating the cap raise, government announced partial deregularization of diesel prices. It's pure economics in play out here.
I am very happy to say that the CCPA today considered the issue of raising the cap from 6 to 9. And 6 to 9, and the CCPA has agreed.
No, it's not a populist measure.
Sir, but diesel prices discussed.
Diesel is concerned, the OMCs, that the marketing companies, have been authorized to make from price corrections from time to time. In fact, there was a decision earlier for deregulating diesel. Right.
Yes.
And in pursuance to that, they have been authorized, the OMCs have been authorized to make the price corrections from time to time.
On the face of it, the government's announcement to raise the cap on subsidized LPG looks like a relief to the common man. But look at it along the second move to deregulate diesel, and you'll realize that the centre has clearly put economics first. While economists have welcomed the move,
I think this is a move in the right direction. I read it as a kind of a gradual but deregulation, leading to total deregulation within a year.
I think it's a welcome decision because on the one hand it generates a goodwill for the companies and also for the government, and I think the government has also conveyed that this sincerely and seriously look into the concerns of the ordinary consumers of the country.
the government says it's reducing its subsidy burden. For the Aam Aadmi, deregulating diesel will prove to be a massive weight if diesel goes the petrol way.
Sources in the oil marketing companies have told Times Now that they are looking at an immediate hike of at least ₹1 per litre in the price of diesel, and later to the tune of at least ₹3 per litre by the end of this financial year. But given the fact it's a partial deregulation, they might not be allowed to go to the full extent.
So should the Aam Aadmi now prepare for repeated and small increase in diesel price hike?
The oil companies have been allowed to make small corrections from time to time. I emphasize the word small corrections from time to time.
But what exactly is a small correction for the Aam Aadmi? Is the government simply sugarcoating the diesel deregulation by raising the cap on subsidized LPG cylinders to 9? Bureau Report, Times Now.